Hello everyone, so today we're going to talk about the K-Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipsticks which have been launched on Nykaa less than 2 weeks ago. K-Beauty has been around for a while now, but I wonder why she does not have any dedicated website for a brand, especially when you're a brand which is owned by such a famous Bollywood celebrity. So anyways, that's a discussion for another day. Today we're going to talk about these lipsticks, these bullet lipsticks which Katrina launched. Pretty sure K-Beauty is only available on Nykaa as of now. I hope they expand their availability and be available with more retailers. That's always a good option. Personally, I always check out the dedicated website of a brand for some reason, and I think that gives a very clear idea about the product, not just the product, about the whole ideology behind the brand, and that sorts of help me make a decision when I'm purchasing something. So if anyone from Katrina's team is watching, I would highly suggest please have a dedicated website if you can. So yeah, with that we will begin our video. On Nykaa's website, it's just called K-Beauty Matte Lipstick. They don't mention the full name, which is probably K-Beauty Matte Drama Matte Lipstick, which is written on the packaging. As per Nykaa's website, there are 18 shades of this lipstick available. So let's just quickly go through what do they have to say in the description. It's pretty long, so I'm not going to read everything. I'm just going to brush up the highlighted things in the description. The K-Beauty Matte Drama Lipstick is here to give you luxurious matte lips and unleash the power of strong states, velvety looks texture, high impact color, weightless formula, comfortable for all day wear. And the ingredients highlighted are grapeseed oil, red raspberry, and it's moisturizing and while protecting it from sun damage or any blue light. Yeah, so the ingredients are supposed to be protective against blue light as well, which is awesome. We have 18 shades to choose from, and so I wasn't sent these lipsticks or anything. I purchased them from my own money. I have 2 shades. I have the shade called Action and another shade called Wrap Up. So we are going to open the wrap up first. So let's talk about the packaging for a second. Well, the cap is golden in color and has these graphic textural design on it, and the bottom is color coded, which is always a welcome point when it comes to the packaging of lipsticks. That's what the lipsticks look like. So the packaging looks pretty nice, and they do have a magnetic closure, which is awesome. And the manufacturing and the expiry date is printed near the bottom of the lipstick. And the actual bottom has the name of the lipsticks, and it says 4.2 grams, which is the actual amount of lipsticks that you're getting. They are priced at Rs 999 without discount, which is at the highest spectrum of lipstick prices. But if these are able to perform good, then the prices might be justified. So let's just try out the lipsticks straight away. These are my bare lips, and we're going to put on the shade Wrap Up first. So this is what the shade Wrap Up looks like on me. I have to say the shape of the tip of the bullet, it's kind of fine. It's like more slanted than the ones which we are used to. So the shape of the bullet tip is kind of unique. It's not adding anything to the convenience of applying the lipstick. Wrap Up is one of their darker nude shades, and I think this is going to look stunning on all skin tones. And for reference, I am MAC NC42, and it looks pretty decent on my skin tone. This is going to work even if you are above MAC NC44, I think. And yeah, this is what it looks like. It has a very slight tinge of red with a strong nude undertone. It's really pretty. Not just on camera, it looks really pretty in person as well. You can pull this off during the daytime as well as during the night time. Now, speaking of the finish of the lipstick, it is matte, but it's not very ultra matte or powdery matte in any way. It is more like a velvety matte formula, which is obviously comfortable on the lips. It doesn't feel like you have a ton of product on your lips, which is great. The pigmentation is great because in just one swipe it gave me pretty much full coverage. I didn't have to go over it twice or thrice. So let me show you the swatch on my hand. So this is the shade Wrap Up, and as you can see, a single swipe delivers so much of pigmentation. It's really good. Quality wise, I think the lipstick really stands out among its competitors from the same range. Let's do a transfer test. So the lipstick has been on my lips for approximately 3 minutes now. It is transferring. Let's wait a little bit more. So maybe it sets a bit more as the time passes. So now it's been 8 minutes since the lipstick's been on my face. So let's do a kiss test again on my other hand now. And it's transferring again. This is not transfer proof. It will transfer if you have oily meals, if you have oily things to eat, or if you eat too frequently, then this will wear off from your lips very soon. But if you have really restricted drinks or snacks, then it should be on for a decent amount of time. Let's try out the other shade now. So while removing, it just came right off with a little makeup wipe. It didn't cause a lot of trouble, and yeah, it did leave a very slight stain on the lips, which is fine by me. Now I'm going to try out the shade Action. Also, the fact that all the designs, all the packagings of the products are so unique. They're not copying anything from anyone. Everything about K-Beauty is so unique, so exciting. So that makes me really happy, you know, especially because it's an Indian brand. It's a brand evolving in India, so that really makes me happy, and I always look forward to trying out as many K-Beauty products as I can try. So yeah, I'll just apply this lipstick now. I'm a person who kind of forgets or skips or is too lazy to line her lips, so I use the edge of the lipstick to line my lips sometimes. You can do that. See that? That's one swipe pigmentation, which is pretty impressive. So that's what Action looks like. To be completely honest, I did not expect this lipstick to be an orange based red, but now that I have it on, I think I quite like it. I like the fact that this is orange, but not super orange that you are uncomfortable to wear this during the daytime. It's pretty bright, it's pretty bold, and I think I kind of love this shade in particular. And finish wise, feel wise, it's the same as the shade Wrap Up. It's not hiding the texture of the lips, but at the same time it's not enhancing any dry patches on the lips as well, which is awesome. But I'd still say that you do prep your lips before applying any matte lipstick for a really nice and flawless finish. I think I'm pretty happy with both these lipsticks. So quality wise, I think the K-Beauty's matte lipsticks are really nice, and you should totally try them out if you are looking forward to trying them. There are pinks, there are reds, there are nudes. There's a huge list of options, so definitely you will get a shade that you will like. So the K-Beauty's matte lipsticks definitely get a thumbs up from my side. I really like K-Beauty as a brand because of its uniqueness, because of the variety they come up, because of the frequent exciting launches they come up with. I think K-Beauty has a really bright future in the Indian market. Not like I'm a soothsayer or anything, but that's what I feel. I would definitely consider purchasing more shades from this range. You know what, this shade Action is reminding me of lipstick that I've recently picked up from MAC. Let me show you. Okay, so this is MAC's VG26. They recently launched MAC's Viva Glam 26 lipstick in collaboration with Rosalia, and this marks the 26th anniversary or 26th year of MAC's Viva Glam. And this lipstick looks very similar to this. Let me swatch them both for you. This is MAC's VG26. This is how it looks, and this is K-Beauty's Action. So the shade Action has more orange in it, and VG26 has slightly more red, but still they look like quite close cousins, if not siblings at least. Yeah, I just thought I'd mention, since the MAC lipstick is a very recent launched and Action looks very similar. And with that being said, I don't think I have anything else to say. And if you have any questions, if you have anything that you'd like to tell me, please leave a comment below and let me know. So I think that's it. Have a good time. Bye.